sing together. You call me out upon the waters, the great unknown, where feet may fail, and there I find you in the mystery, in oceans deep. My faith will stand. Come on, you make it your prayer. And I will call upon your name, Jesus, and keep my eyes above the waves. When oceans rise, my soul will rest in your embrace. For I am yours, you are your grace abounds in deepest waters. Your sovereign hand will be my guide. Come on, you sing. What feet may fail. Come on. You've never failed. Come on. And you won't stop now, Jesus. So I will call upon your name.
Guys, I'm about to grill. All you need to grill
Keep my
pork chops and the ribs will just be, so this is the marination from yesterday. Then you need this small portion of oil, a tongue, and something to baste the oil on the fire. Yes, guys, I just did preheated the grill. It needs to be a minimum of 400 degrees. Then you put in your pork chops, marinated, and the grill is preheated. Now it's almost 500, but all we need is 400. So I'll open it a bit for temperature to reduce, and now it's 400. I'm just going to ensure that I oil parts with the Vesta so that it doesn't stick. So all you need is the Vesta and so. You have the pork chops on one side, but bear in mind that they are unevenly cut, so I have to be careful of the temperature so I can control some of them to be higher than the others depending on the size. This grill has 4 burners, so and it's gas, so I made it higher so that I put the bigger chunks here and made this moderate. So guys, I'm going to leave this on like this for 4 minutes until one part of it is charred and has the grill mark. Then I'll flip it and let it slow cook for another 20 minutes to 30 minutes. Come check it, see what it's like, and since I'm still cooking it will cook longer, so within an hour I expect it to be done. So you also have to apply some oil to it, baste some oil on it, so that by the time you flip it the oil is hot enough. Done with the basting of the oil, so I'm going to put on high heat, like I said, for 3-4 minutes, and when it has a char mark I'll flip over to the other side. Okay, so guys, it's time to flip over. After I flipping some, you can see they already have the char on it, high heat. I'll reduce the heat significantly so that it doesn't continue cooking at this rate, so it will slow cook for the rest of the time it's cooking. I'll come again to keep another check. It's fine, it's not cooking as fast as it was earlier, because so this is what we have here, the ribs and the pork. So turned up the fire on this, and we put the potatoes on here. So we're going to leave this for say another few hours, maybe 1 hour plus to the 1 hour we spent, so that I can slow cook. We've turned off the fire from beneath it. Made ketchup paste. It's ketchup, normally ketchup, barbecue, and some other things. We're gonna baste the pork chops and Yeah, you put it on low heat. Ketchup mixture. It has garlic, salt, maple syrup, and soy sauce.